Discover the power of Niacinamide Serum for Face. Introducing the Niacinamide Serum for Face. Experience the firming and moisturizing properties of this serum. Feel the difference as the serum improves your skin's elasticity. Discover the benefits of niacinamide, vitamin B3, and hyaluronic acid. Experience the positive effects of these ingredients on your skin. Say goodbye to large pores with this pore minimizer serum. Achieve a smoother and more refined appearance. Restore your skin's elasticity with this powerful serum. Experience firmer and more youthful looking skin. Reduce the appearance of blemishes with this effective serum. Achieve a clearer and more even skin tone. Say goodbye to skin discoloration with this powerful serum. Experience a more radiant and even complexion. Trust in the high quality standards of this serum, made in the USA. Ensure the safety and effectiveness of the product. Join the satisfied customers who have experienced the benefits of this serum. Suitable for both women and men of all ages. Summarize the benefits and invite viewers to try the Niacinamide Serum for Face. Take action now and visit our website to purchase this amazing serum.